Hello, we're back in Amissville. I told you I would be back for another news report. As you can hear behind me, we've got at least 25, 30 mile an hour winds. Yes, this is Leroy Blackwater back for more. Now, I must report on, we've had a terrible loss today. On the way home, just not too far from here, a little round creature that my son, unfortunately, ran over with the fit. Turtle Timmy has passed away. May we have a moment of silence? Thank you. That's all we needed for that. But anyway, I just wanted to report on some damage again. More rain, more flooding, and I don't know. I almost feel like I'm possibly being watched by something. Let me look over here. Go ahead. Did you hear that? Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's something huge in the woods. Possibly the hurricane has stirred up more than just the rain and wind. I think it's the Virginia Yeti. I must go and search. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh.